Welcome! Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to change your name on the Facebook app on your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to update your profile name or correct a typo, this quick tutorial will help you do it smoothly. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile photo. This will open a small menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy, then select Settings from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage your account details. Now, scroll down a bit and click on Account Center. This is where Facebook centralizes your profile and account settings across its platforms. Inside the Account Center, click on Profiles. Here, you'll see all the profiles linked to your account. Click on your profile to access the name settings. If you have multiple Facebook accounts linked, make sure to select the one you want to edit. This step is important to ensure you're changing the right profile name. Once you're in your profile settings, find the Name section and click to edit it. Enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear on Facebook. Keep in mind Facebook's name policies, so choose a name that follows their guidelines. After typing your new name, simply click Done to save the changes. Facebook might ask you to confirm your identity or wait for a short period before the change goes live, so be patient. And that's it. You've successfully updated your name on the Facebook app on your PC with the new update. It's a straightforward process that helps you keep your profile accurate and up to date. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more easy tech tips.